Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Outsiders video. I'm Victor here, and today I'm bringing a guest over to build a PC. He has no prior knowledge on how to do so, so let's see how it goes. Every time he does something critically wrong, I'm going to shoot him with a Nerf gun. So, bringing our guest in.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Raul Martinez, founder and owner of 808. Here making a cameo appearance on my friend's channel, Tech Outsiders. Check them out. Great tech channel. Today I'll be building a PC. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I'm prayed on God I don't break nothing because this looks expensive. So let's jump into it, guys. All right, guys. So right off the bat,
what do you think the first thing is?
right off the bat, I think I'm gonna stick this little square in here because it looks like it fits in there. Let's see. Yeah, it fits in there.
Wait, don't take it up, lift it up.
They did let me know I gotta shoot some of this thermal compound on it. So let's see how that goes. Yeah. So I guess I just gotta even coat that thing. Almost done, guys. And it's done.
He can talk.
What? I thought that's how you do it.
Why did I shoot him?
Am I supposed to rub it with my finger?
Why did you shoot him?
I don't know what I was supposed to be doing. All right, let's keep going, guys. I'm guessing this snaps in there.
It's gonna feel worse, but it's right. It's supposed to be hard.
All right, first step's done. Maybe I should throw this in there, or I guess not.
Is there anything else you're supposed to add first? What do you think?
No, I don't think so.
No?
Maybe these things?
Yeah, don't touch the gold part of it. Supposed to hold it like this.
Let me just plug this in there. Here we go. What the hell this freaking thing does?
Oh, it's figuring.
What's wrong with this?
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Wouldn't shoot for the longest time because...
All right, so first one's in.
Nope. Gotta push it in more. Is it in right?
It looks like it's in right.
There's a notch on the.
Stick this little thing in here. Stick it in there.
I'll give you bonus points.
There we
You know
go.
what it's called.
He'll buy you Olive Garden if you do it.
All right, guys. Next.
You can stand up. I'll make it easier for you.
Yeah.
Watch out. There we go. All right, so let's get this bad boy screwed in, and then we'll start connecting stuff. This?
All right. Yeah. Sure.
Alright, let him.
No.
Let him figure it out.
That's what I have to do. It's like nothing's on GPUs now.
Nah, it's gotta be something.
Alright.
It's in here.
Bro, maybe putting something in else first would help you, like figure out the layout.
This,
Yeah. See how that goes
that fits right. Actually, let's.
for the most.
That looks like it goes right there. So it's not.
You have to hold the screw. Hint? You have to hold the screwdriver.
All right, so looks pretty good to me. Decent. This thing, let's go. Looks like this fan goes here. Definitely goes here. Or where? It's gotta go somewhere. Maybe this fan goes here. This fan goes like this, I'm guessing, so you can see the. No, it goes on the outside. How does this shit connect? Shit connects here. It's not my cup of tea, guys. Shit.
Hopefully he puts it on the right way.
Yeah.
This shit goes here.
I'll give you the screws for that one.
Where's the Phillips?
Aren't they all the same?
No.
Nah, these ones are cross.
These weird
Who built this thing?
HP.
HP sucks. That's why I buy Apple. And voila, guys. Listen. So next, guys, probably gonna start with this easy box thing. It's 2 terabyte Western Digital hard drive from Thailand. It says Thailand right there.
I don't know what you're doing.
It goes in here.
Could it be the wrong way?
Nah. Like that? Shit's moving.
You put it on upside down.
Upside down.
Upside down.
I was like this.
Bro, I don't even know how that goes in there.
Yeah, I don't either. But it's fine as long as it doesn't move too much.
That's fine. Just to the ports.
All right, guys. Let's connect this bad boy. It goes in like that. Cables are sticking out.
Or maybe that one. I can't help it, right?
This one goes in here.
Yeah.
Maybe this goes in like this.
Can you see that cable real quick?
No, this goes in like this. When stuff don't fit, guys, force it in.
Be a man.
How's this shit? It should just tucks in here, guys. When you don't know where shit connects, you just tuck it in. So there's a panel right there. I'm guessing it connects there, guys. No? Yes? Yeah, I'm just connect it somewhere. There we go, guys.
Sure.
It don't go there?
I don't know where you.
How's it not go there?
Okay, look how long the L is. Look for an L connector down there.
There's no L connector. Oh, maybe one of these blue things?
He was connected to something random.
That should fit right there. Alright, that goes in there, guys.
Alright.
And now let's just start connecting shit.
Oh no.
Or not. Let's connect this thing,
Yeah.
which is a fan. I don't know where the fuck this fan goes. Maybe
You know what
here?
that is?
Alright.
It's a fan. Oh, I'm guessing this goes here.
Alright.
No.
Almost. That's close.
I'm not giving you a hint.
This goes
but
here.
I'm just letting you know.
You know what card that is?
The RAM
Nah.
that you connected earlier had gold pins. This card has the same thing.
It's a 1063 gigabyte model.
So
I don't know what that is.
It's a
So-
graphics card.
I'm gonna just connect it here.
Put the RAM in.
I don't even know.
Those two sticks.
This don't fit here.
How'd you put
No.
the two sticks? Yeah, how do you connect the gold pins to the RAM?
So look at the red. Like it was.
So right here? That connects here? Oh, there we go,
Yeah.
guys. The fuck? I guess any one of these just goes in here.
Why are so much screws?
Alright, guys, it's in. Now let's connect some wires. I'm guessing this goes here.
Alright. I think you got it.
Blue is blue, guys. The fuck is this?
Maybe
it's
it goes
not.
on something else in the PC.
Nah. Oh, maybe here? Nah.
Your-
Nope.
Your hands are right next to it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm not. Yeah.
Maybe you think you just plugged in?
Let him look at the shape. Let him look at it first. Okay. I'll let him figure it out. No.
So where? No, this don't go nowhere.
Alright. It's elevated from the.
Oh, right there?
Oh,
There you go.
There we go, guys.
He's figuring it out.
This is a lot, so I'm guessing it goes here.
They're the same.
24 pin connector.
The 24 pin will supply power to the motherboard.
What he said. That's about it, guys.
You're missing probably one.
How do you
What's-
feel, Raul?
Dude, look at
Once
all
again,
the
I've
dust
done-
that you did. Look at all the dust in this fan.
We get all allergies right now.
Wait, it turned on though, right?
Holy shit, guys, we actually did it.
How do you feel, Raul?
Yeah.
I feel like I've accomplished great things.
Are you gonna build a PC on your own now?
No.
Raul, you build a PC?
That has a little symbol on it.
All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe to Tech Outsiders, to my channel. Link will be in the description. Remember, fashion, fitness, lifestyle advice.
Awesome.
Turn your L's into W's, guys. Catch you next time.